What's the meaning of awe? Awe? Awe?
Awe. Awe. The term awe refers to an emotion that is experienced when one encounters something that is both grand and mysterious. It is a feeling that is often characterized by a sense of wonder, amazement, and reverence. Awe can be brought on by a variety of experiences, including encountering natural wonders like waterfalls, seeing great feats of human achievement, or experiencing profound emotions like love or grief. The result of experiencing awe is often a feeling of deep respect for whatever has inspired it, as well as a broader sense of connectivity to the world around us.